Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a bike rack that combines premium quality, security, and ease of use, then you're going to love what we're reviewing today, the Thule Apex XT Bike Hitch Rack. Bicycle emoji, check the link in the description to grab it at the best price. Thule gear rarely goes on sale, and this one's worth every penny. Hammer and wrench emoji, build quality and setup. The Thule Apex XT is crafted with heavy-duty steel and a sleek matte black finish. It has that signature Thule durability, built to last through years of adventure, rain or shine. It's available in 2, 4, or 5 bike configurations, and supports most frame types and sizes, including road bikes, MTBs, and kids bikes. The tool-free SnugTite hitch system makes installation simple and eliminates wobble, which is a huge plus on longer trips. Closed lock with key emoji, security and smart design. Thule packs in security where it matters. Integrated cable lock to keep your bike safe. Lock knob secures the rack to your vehicle. Anti-sway cradles prevent bikes from bumping into each other. The compact arc design provides better bike spacing and helps avoid frame interference, a big win for riders with carbon frames or tight handlebar setups. Car emoji, convenience and portability. The Apex XT tilts away from your vehicle for trunk access, even with bikes loaded. And when you're not using it, just fold down the arms and stow it away in your garage or keep it mounted. Compatible with 1.25 inches and 2 inches hitch receivers, it's a super versatile setup whether you drive an SUV, crossover, or sedan. Bullseye emoji, who is this for? This rack is perfect for serious cyclists and weekend riders. Families or couples with multiple bikes. Anyone who values premium build, security, and long-term reliability. Cyclists who hate the noise, sway, or frustration of cheap racks. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The Thule Apex XT Hitch Rack is a top-tier bike rack that delivers on every front: security, build quality, ease of use, and thoughtful design. It's ideal for anyone who wants a long-lasting rack with minimal hassle and maximum peace of mind. Fire emoji, check the link in the description below to grab yours before they sell out, especially during riding season. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more trusted reviews on cycling gear, racks, and outdoor essentials.